Welcome to part 2 of Gamify Your Content to level up engagement using Google Spreadsheets, Forms, and Drawings. In this video, we are going to look at the Google form that was created for a project that consisted of a series of tasks and how the information submitted through that form is managed in Google Spreadsheets. We will also explore how you can automatically award badges as new data is entered into that spreadsheet, making these tasks even easier. So let's get started. After I created my set of challenges and designed badges to be awarded for completion of those challenges, I created a Google form for students to report completion of each of the challenges. The data submitted from this form is populated in this spreadsheet. Let's look at the steps to automate awarding badges. Step 1 is to complete the Google form for one student. So you would come over here, fill in for one student, and it would populate on row 2. Step 2 will be to create the headers for your badge awards for each task. Step 3, off to the far right, only on row 2, you will create each badge to be awarded. This must remain in row 2 so that it is undisturbed as new data is submitted, which will create new rows upon each submission. So to automate this task, the configuration of displaying your badges is a little bit different. You have to keep them all in a single row. Step 4, after you've got your badges displayed, you're going to come back to the badge display portion of the spreadsheet, and in row 2, you will enter your functions. For example, this first function on row 2, I2, it says, if cell D2 contains challenge 1, then display the data from cell O2. And remember, we want all of the badges the same going down this column. So we're going to use the $ in front of O and in front of 2 because we don't want that to progress as it goes down, like the first part of this will, D3, D4, but this part is remaining the same. The last part of this function says if challenge 1 does not appear in cell D2, then leave this cell blank, which we can see in this cell. Obviously, challenge 2 was not completed, therefore badge 2 was not awarded. Now, the Google add-on that we use to automate these tasks is located up here in the add-ons. If you don't have the CopyDown add-on, you can go down here to Get Add-ons and locate CopyDown. There it is, and then you would add it to your add-on. So it's already added on, and I've already launched it. So mine now says CopyDown settings, but it would just say Start or Launch. And you would come over here, and the first thing you would do would be to turn it on, and that means it will automatically work as new submissions are entered into the spreadsheet. It will find your formulas. It has detected that all of the formulas are in row 2, and so I see them there, so I'm going to go on ahead and hit Save Settings and close it out. So let's see how this works. After I've submitted, it's just now come in that I completed challenges 2, 4, and 5. And it has awarded me badges 2, 4, and 5. That is using Google Forms with Google Spreadsheet and the Google add-on CopyDown to automate awarding your student badges.